Right, it's going to be a quick no messing around. Python exe to Python readable. Want to strings the file first of all. Run for flag. Strings run for flag. Look for py. There's loads of py in there. It's everywhere. That's definitely a Python file. When I had it on the Windows VM, you could see it obviously was by the disk and the snake on it. I'll get these commands all in the description as well, but you can see I've git cloned what I need. Then we're going to Python 3. That should produce this run for flag exe folder. And the main one we're interested in for this challenge was the run for flag pyc. As you can see, you still can't fully see what it's saying, but then let's copy this. We go to the website Pylingual Python decompiler. We get our run for flag pyc, and this was on the latest version of Python as well, 3.13. And you can see, using those two tools, we've taken a Python exe and got the clean text. This was a rabbit hole in the end, but I thought let's not waste it, as it's useful to know. If you've enjoyed this video or it's helped you on a CTF, or you want more CTF stuff, just give a subscribe. Cheers everyone.